Does it block you when you lose a live account? No. They just put you like on a little timeout. Like it's like a cooldown period, like 2 weeks or whatever. Yeah, ICT wants to tongue my butthole. He said it, not me. Pumping back up here. Holding above 960s for now. We got that EMA there. We've got the VWAP. We've got no major news today. A little bit of news at like 10, but it's not like a major news. Tomorrow we got FOMC. So, oh, wow. Okay. I can respect that. Heather in the chat said, I've been here for almost 2 weeks now. This is the best channel I've ever been on. I mean, let's go, Heather. Thank you. I'll send the $100 that I owe you for that comment. I'll send it to you later. Just thank you for your support. What accounts are you going to trade today? I've got some funded Apex accounts. I've got some funded Take Profit Trader accounts. Got some evals. We got the tournament account I got to trade as well. We got some stuff. We got some stuff to trade. We got some stuff to trade. Straight up here. That 5-minute candle is straight fucking up. Pushed right off the 76s up there. 28,024 now. So big move back up here. We got to see what happens. Big pump. We got resistance, obviously the London high so far, 28,050 area here. And then after that, that gap fill. So knowing that we have that gap fill there, we got to be a little... I wouldn't be overly bearish until we maybe fill that gap, to be honest. But we'll see. We got FOMC tomorrow. You know, if we're going to push up, that would be the level to push to. 28,200 again. Danny said we got a big pump today. Dan Yee. Trades and tribulations. Patrick, when you make a big trade, 15,000, 20,000, is that an eval funded? Is that the amount shown on screen? It's because we're copy trading multiple accounts. So if you see like a big, large size, it's because we're copy trading multiple accounts. So it is possible. We're just trading multiple accounts. It's going to go up and then dump. Maybe. Activating some Apex accounts right now. I passed these evals last week, and we're going to activate them to see if we can't blow up 20 Apex accounts today. Oh, God. It's going to hurt. Thought they only gave 7 days to activate. Yeah, we passed them, what, last week? Last Friday, or it's... So I had until the 29th, tomorrow. I had till tomorrow to activate them. Cascade FX says, why are you obsessed with ICT? You seem to talk about him in nearly all your posts on X. I mean, I wouldn't say all my posts, but I mean, 99% of my posts, yes. The reason I talk about him is because he's so fucking retarded that it just makes it fun. You know, I got something for the retards. I just love me a good retard. It's just too easy. He also said he wants to lick my butthole, so I mean, to be honest, I'm hoping that he, you know, follows through on that. You know, I'm hoping that he follows through on what he said. So, let's cross our fingers. Let's cross our fingers and hope and pray that ICT actually licks my butthole next year. So, right now, 28,000 holding up here. Hourly chart. We got a big wick off the bottom on this last 7 o'clock candle. Had a wick up here. So let's think about it like this. Maybe we, you know, if we can kind of squeeze out of here. I do think that gap fill makes a lot of sense, right? 28,200 area. So. Are you gay, Patrick? No, I'm not gay. But if another man says he wants to lick my butthole, I mean, I'll let him. I will let him. I got $300,000. I put 300,000. I got 300,000. $300,000. $300,000, chat. All ICT has to do is just trade live. Just trade live. $300,000. Make it hot. 300,000. Look at that. He won't even do it. Not even for 300,000. For charity. He's a scammer. He won't do it. He won't do it. Someone said at open the market will go down sharp. We'll see. We'll see. Do you talk like this in front of your children? Yes, Steve. I do. Which part? The licking my butthole part or the ICT's a retard part? I mean, Landon's 13, bro. I can't help it that some guy said he wants to lick my butthole. Welcome to the real world, man. Right now, NASDAQ holding up here at the VWAP for now. Gotta see what happens. Your channel is valuable because comes from you. What? What? PW, I've grown up so much watching all you guys. Thanks for sharing. Great sauce. Confidence grows every day. Let's go, Ryan. He's growing up watching PW on YouTube. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, right? Who's a better role model? The guy who built a fucking $1 million empire just doing what he dreamed of doing? Or some fucking loser who went to college and got a college degree and works 9 to 5? You know? Who's a better role model? Let's be honest, you know? Let's be honest. All right, what do you guys think? Up or down here at open? Up or down at open? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Boris, shut the fuck up, bitch. Where's Boris is getting banned? He said neither. This is my kingdom, Boris. You got something to say, get the fuck out of here. I'm the king, motherfucker. I'm the king, motherfucker. Do I ever sleep? Yeah, I slept for, I think, 7 hours. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play. Patrick, how is the parasite situation? Has it passed? Did I have what? I'm confused. I'm confused about your comment here, sir. My parasite? I don't know about no parasites. Hey, Maria, she says she loves my eyeballs. There we go. EM, when he says when he grows up, he wants to be like PW. Shoo, let's go. He's talking, let's go, baby. Is the 50K Lucid daily account the best prop firm account right now? I don't know. I mean, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, pretty good. Pretty good. Energy drinks are not good for your health, somebody just said in the chat. Guys, you know what's really not good for your fucking health? You know what's really not good for your fucking health? Day trading. All right, day trading. That's what's not good for your health. If I was trying to be healthy, I would not be a day trader, you know, because like this shit is bad for your health. All right, we got a poll in the chat right now. What do you think? What levels are you guys looking at? We have, obviously, the gap fill puts us back up there to that dotted line from yesterday's close. Right now, the NASDAQ, kind of a double bottom, holding these levels down here, that 28,000, 27,800 level overnight. And then right now, kind of pushing back up. We are above the VWAP. We're getting very tight on this kind of trend line here. Shout out to Tory Trades, teaching me everything that I needed to know about trend lines. So pretty much what I did here is... it's very simple, right? I just go like this, and then I go like this, and then basically what happens is if the market goes above this trend line, it's gonna go up. Truth. It's very true. Right now, the poll, we got 69% of the chat. You freaky freaks. The chat's freaky. The chat is fucking freaky, man. 70% of you. Oh, there we go. 69. Y'all trying to do some 69 shit up in here. Y'all freaky freaks. Don't be like, hey, everybody, we need to pull that. I know everybody got excited, right? I know everybody got excited about ICT wanting to lick my butthole, but I mean, we gotta tone it back. Bring the sexual tension down, right? We gotta bring it down, chat. We gotta bring that sexual tension down. Because right now, you know, we can't be getting all hyped up. You know, what I've learned is that, you know, it's not good to trade when you're all sexually frustrated. And I think that's what ICT's problem is. He's sexually frustrated. That's why he has such a hard time trading real money, because all he can think about is my butthole. So, I mean, I'm just trying to, you know, I'm trying to figure out, why does ICT have a problem? I think it's because he just really, really wants to lick my butthole.
First. Right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you believe about that? I fucking live in Florida, and I will kiss your ass on live stream. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here and give me your shit again, because I will embarrass your fucking kiss your ass on live stream. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here and give me your shit again, because I will embarrass your fucking ass. Give me money from you there. If you want to give me $1 million in January for a full run, for a full fucking year, guess what? We're going to compare 1099Bs at the end of fucking 2027. And if I ain't 50 fucking times whatever you fucking do, I'll delete every fucking thing drive my ass down to fucking wherever that bum fucking place you have fucking live in Florida, and I will kiss your ass on live stream. How about that? Tongue first, right up in your fucking chocolate starfish, you little bitch. Come over here and give me your shit again, because I will embarrass your fucking ass.
The funny thing is how upset he is. You can see just I won, right? I literally he's a psychopath. He's a psychopath. I mean, he says he wants to lick my chocolate starfish. At no point in my life have I ever been like, man, fuck that guy. Fuck that guy. I'm going to lick his fucking asshole. Is this real? No, that's real. That was really him. He really said that, So, I mean, I don't know, man. Like, it's just kind of weird. Why is he so, he was out of breath. First off, he was out of breath. He was mumbling. He was stuttering. And then he said he wants to just out of nowhere says, I want to lick.
Early earnings this morning were UPS, Coca-Cola, PayPal, and Boeing. Those were your early morning earnings.
I think Boeing's in the Dow, right? I think Boeing's in the Dow.
I believe so. And Coca-Cola.
Where's my Dow components list? What's up right now in the Dow? Home Depot's up 2%. I don't know. Dow's pushing right now, though. It's up almost 1% on the day. Biggest percentage mover of the day. So keep an eye on that if you do watch the Dow. JD, any other news we want to hit before we get into fast markets?
Sure. Car prices. What's driving up car cost? You're in the market for a new car. Be prepared for some sticker shock. And unfortunately, the used car market isn't much better right now. In today's Consumer Watch, John Sullivan looks at what's driving up costs and how you can find the best deal. Let's do it.
The sticker price for new cars has hit near record highs. Last month, buyers paid an average of just under $49,000 for a new vehicle, according to Edmunds transaction data. The average
1,200 level. This is where we closed at yesterday. We got a pivot point right here as well. This kind of area got kind of held. So, maybe we get a little dip down and then a push. Maybe we go straight up at open and then we sell off. We got FOMC tomorrow. So, I would like, if I was gonna do like a, is it 50-50? No, I'd say there's more of a higher chance that we try to push up to fill that gap. But, this market's been crazy. It's been wild. It's FOMC tomorrow, so yeah. I do, I kind of, someone said it looks like a rounding bottom. Hourly chart does, you would have thought that, if we were going to go lower, we probably would have done it, we would have done it around here, right? Maybe this hourly candle squeezed right back up after kind of doing a double bottom. So that's what you would think, that if we were going to go lower, we would have kind of broke that low already, but got to see. We're going to have to see. You should take him up on it because there's no way in hell he's making 50x what you make. Well, I mean, pretty much. Pretty much. So pretty much ICT will be licking my asshole next year. So I'm excited for that. I've never had a man lick my asshole, but to be honest, if he wants to do it live on YouTube, I think it'll get a lot of views. I do think it will get a lot of views. I'm just saying. And to be honest, I mean, dude, I took a big old shit this morning and I don't know. I don't know, man. That's going to be one nasty licking. But hey, I will do it for the views, all right? For the views. $20 is $20. Pay-per-view. We'll do a pay-per-view butthole licking. Pulling back here, we got about 5 minutes here till market opens. Kind of running into this resistance. Pulling back right now. Maybe, I
love ramen, but we got to eat it. So we'll see what happens.
Value high.
Thanks, man. We'll see how this plays out.
Mm-hmm.
But
fair value gap.
I think
Okay.
we might be ready to go. I see Chike is here, Jack is here, Andre is here. This is where I normally pass it over to Hogue, but Hogue lost his power. So I'll do it. I'll do the thing. Vince, great stuff. JD, we'll see you later. We'll see both of you guys later. But let's get into fast markets. I don't know who was in the top of the chat today because I wasn't looking, but you're all here right now, and that's what's most important to me. Do us a favor if you haven't done so already, hit the thumbs up button. Let's have a great day of trading. Manage your risk, trade your plans, and let's get into fast markets in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pray for
Good morning, friends and traders. Welcome to Fast Markets on TOPSTEP TV. It is Tuesday, July 28th, 2026. Vince, I love you, man, but I am not taking a 12% loan from you. You look like a man that collects. Andre,
How about
what's
10?
up?
How about 10?
Now you piqued
How's
my
10?
interest.
Oh, Vince, undercutting the market. Welcome, everybody, to TOPSTEP TV. This is Fast Markets. We are your trading buddy from bell to bell, broadcasting you live from TOPSTEP Global Headquarters. Who we got in the house? Lower left-hand corner, Mr. Chike in the house. Sam on opening call. Vince in the house. And then Jack as well. Let's get right into it. Chike, good to see you. 2.5 minutes till the
how's it
opening bell.
going?
Thoughts coming in. What's up, Chike?
Thoughts? I don't have any currently. I just literally jumped on right now, so I'm just gonna look at the market. But right now, from what I'm seeing, it does look a bit bearish, and I would like to see it go down, but I'm gonna give myself some time, do some analysis, and then I'll get back to you on that.
All right, very good. Well, let's talk through that. You are just sat down, right? 2 minutes till the opening bell. What is your routine here? What is your routine to get caught up to speed?
So typically, I'm just looking at the general move, because you usually want to go with the trend, and then usually go for predicting like kind of like the final area the market's going to end up closing by, and that's usually why I forecast like levels 200 or 300 points into the future, because that's kind of where I want to see the market go. So then when I see something that's set up and that aligns with that, then it just allows me to ride it along the wave, ride the wave all the way to that price, and essentially be part of that move for the market.
I like that. All right. Sounds good. About 60 seconds till the opening bell, Jack. A little over 24 hours till FOMC, the biggest FOMC of all time tomorrow. We did see
They all
equities.
are. Citadel
They always
came out
are,
and
right?
said they're expecting a hike. I didn't know
Who said
Citadel
that?
did that sort of thing anyway, but they did.
Citadel?
Big story is
Wow.
we're still in this sort of at least short-term meltdown in semiconductors. More carnage out of the Asian markets last night. Nikkei, Kospi both down huge. Let's take a look at this real quick. I mean, we've looked at this chart a lot. This is the semiconductor index here. We've been looking for it maybe to return to this channel it was in for a nice long time. But yeah, look at some of these individual, like here's SanDisk. I mean, that certainly looks like a blow off top, maybe a little double head and shoulders. That's a new one. We'll keep an eye on that. The semis are down 4% pre-market right now.
Okay, very good. We do have a number at the top of the hour, but we are about to open for business. Vince, I an opening call. Bell's about to ring here. What is your approach as you come right on into this open? Thoughts, levels, prices of interest, and what markets, Vince? What's up, man?
Yeah. Hey, good morning, everybody. So I'm looking at, I like Jay's short he got just prior pre-market open here. I mean, that was value high, so I like that, but we're sitting at settlement right there in the ES right now, right? 74.48 quarter. Dow is presenting as a stronger opportunity to the long side. NASDAQ is showing the weakest. So this is interesting here, Dre. You know, we have the S&P's kind of range bound, Dow pressing higher, and NASDAQ lower. So I'm going to be a little bit patient here and see if we can find an opportunity.
That's probably wise words. Let's take a look at these prices here. NQ trading 27,950, call it. Overnight lows, 27,839. 839 overnight, about 100 points higher from it right now. ES, like Vince was saying, a little rate
Out of here, so I kind of I'm watching this. I feel like we might wick, but who knows? 5-minute candle straight down here so far. 920s again, 915s, 900s. Straight down, 5-minute candle here so far. No buyers yet. I'll try a long at 880. I'll try it right here, actually. I think it's going to squeeze right back up. Oh, my God. Had some buyers kind of stepping in down there. Let's see if it's going to squeeze. It's got to squeeze right back up here. This is the 1-minute chart we're looking at. Ugh, so close. I was like instantly up like 20 points there, instantly. Try to add it 880. Just straight down waterfall. She gone. Straight down. Needs to get the bounce here. Needs to get the bounce here. Fighting the trend here, not so good. Looking for some kind of reaction, basically, back up here. Nvidia's pushing back up. If the NASDAQ can get back above 920, I think we're good. Trouble. Yeah. What's it gonna do here? It's slowing down, but it's just not popping back up here now, so not looking hot. My entry is now the resistance. Motherfuckers. Look at that. 896 is the resistance now. Gotta love it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. She's going down. Going down. Giving it a little bit of room here. We'll see, but not looking hot right now. Got a pivot point down at the 830 area. Maybe I don't know.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That overnight low is 840s. So looks like we're gonna get clapped here. Clapped. Took out the overnight low now. This is our last chance of a reversal area, but got to give it a little bit of room here. I wanted that gap fill to the upside, but clearly not the play here. ES is pushing back up. NVIDIA is pushing back up. NASDAQ just needs to try to bounce here. Yeah. You can see we basically were right there below the overnight low. We had that pivot point there. No bounce, just straight down here. Should have just got in all in short there at open, I guess. Motherfuckers. See, yesterday we try to, yesterday had the gap and then you get all excited about the gap fill. And then today we had the gap to the upside and, well, we got excited about it and obviously still moving down here. So that's all she wrote. Still moving down, down, down. I don't get it sometimes. We're stopped out of that long, by the way. Bleeding out here. No bounce. Oh, it's so stupid. First 15-minute candle of the day. There's no wick on the bottom here yet, so it just selling. Oh, la, 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 la. Reversing now. Yes, I know. Waiting for the next setup here. Waiting for the next setup. And it's weird because Nvidia is like pushing back up here, but I don't know. NASDAQ just cannot get any type of bounce yet. Still selling. It's free falling. So free falling. Free falling. Market is just straight down here. I mean, it's like, fuck, what are you gonna do? Short down? I don't know. I don't fucking know, man. God. 740s. La, 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 la. She's just waterfalling, man. Just absolutely waterfalling here. So far, just straight down here, no bounce, no like time to get short, just fucking straight down. I know what's gonna happen. The minute that I get short, it's gonna fucking go straight up, but who knows? Down there to the 700s again. Or down the two 700s, 27,700 now. We got consumer confidence at 10 o'clock. Straight through 700 there, 680. Just absolutely no relief right now. The buyers are gone, man. This market is dumping. She's a dumper. Crazy work. Zero. I mean, there's just like zero buyers, but there's just like, I don't know. Crazy work. 15-minute range, breaking, just keeps breaking. I don't know. Motherfuckers. Like, I just know the minute that I get short, that's when we're gonna reverse. So, waiting for some kind of like bear flag. You know, I need like a bear flag to short into here. I need like a bear flag or something, man. There's the bounce that I was worried about. If I would have got short down there below 700, would have gotten fucking blown out there. Right in my booty hole, right? Like ICT likes to do. Little squeeze. Can we get a little push back up here? The previous low was 728 right now. Trying to push back up into that previous low area. This 5-minute candle's got a big wick on the bottom. Can they start to push it back up here? Right? Can they start to push it back up here? It's a pretty strong push.
Order filled.
Five-minute candle got a nice big wick on the bottom there, so I think we get some momentum back to the upside here pretty quickly. That was just too much